All right, welcome everyone. Last day of this build. Unless I muddle or fuddle or fumble something up here, shouldn't be much trouble. I've counted up. There's only 8 more pieces to be assembled together. Then a couple of little things to tie up loose ends. But otherwise, we really are. I'm on the last page of the instructions and everything. So I've got all my loose pieces up there. Now let's pull some parts. So E23 and 27. Yep, there and there. The last 2 on there. And I just remembered I didn't grab my mic. I think it's close enough where it should be acceptable. Big chunk off of there. Then F3. Are you F? No, F was that one. I think. Yep, F3. There you are. Yep, C2 times 4. I'm just pulling all the parts for all the last of these pieces. I'm not, and that's all that one. Then B14. Must be you. No. B14. Yep, there you are. All right. And get some sanding done, filing, however you want to look at it. Let's see. Okay. All right. So I want to go ahead and remember to tell you all this. I'm probably going to go back to 1 video per day, but I think I'm going to make them a little bit longer. I'm still not going to go crazy like hours long videos. I'm probably step in the 20 to 30 minute range rather than the 10 to 20 minute range I've been aiming at here lately. So I think in the long run, I think it'll all equal out. I'll get fewer longer videos, but there's less. I won't be gumming up your timeline with too many. You don't have to see my hands every single day, or my mediocre thumbnails. All right. So now, just a matter of sliding everything together. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So this first thing, we take this and three on that side, the back. And looks like you gotta just click in and got our little no. Oh, let's see, there is. Yeah, there we go. It does lock into place on that side. Well, it did. Maybe it doesn't. Okay. That's what we're supposed to be going for. That side stays in, this side doesn't. Yep. Okay. Then those in place. Do this, and you go. Okay. These little shaded sections here are where it's supposed to slide, I think. It looks like that's how they're going to line up. No notches there to hold them though. Okay. Then we'll take these. This is what's going to hold it in place, evidently. These guys come in. Here. There. And yep, there. Okay, that side still doesn't. This one doesn't. I think it's held in place good. Just, I'd rather it go. All the other ones went fairly flush. This one's sticking out a touch. Let's see if I can get a little more leverage, I guess. There we go. Since that worked so well, let's try it on this side too. Push my luck. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that's what that looks like now. And now this guy drops in. What do you drop in? This slot. Okay. Supposed to go under. It's supposed to line up. Must be on this side of it. Yeah. Okay. So this one butts up to this cross member there. It looks like it's gonna. I think that'll make that. Yeah. And now I gotta. Okay, I'll just have to leave that in there. This one, that should be able to go. Okay, let me try on the other side of that cross member. I'm trying this side of that cross member. That's okay. It was leaning. That okay? Yeah, it is. That looks better. So, like I say, this is the arm, and it goes. Let me get my. That pointing stick I was using earlier or yesterday, but I say there's that cross member. This is where the arm goes down on, snug up against it there, and that sort of makes this nice, good joint there. Then, oh, and that was step 51, putting that thing on. This one, okay. Yeah, this sort of shows up there. This goes back here, underneath, onto this one. In theory. There it went. Okay, there it went. Okay. Now I take this one. Where do you go? Okay, you go back over here. This is going to tie together these two pieces, so yeah, this one's lower, so that there. Although I think it'd be okay without it, to be honest. But they want me to put it in, I'll put it in. Okay. There it went. Okay. And push that up there. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we are done. So, that means we need to drop in some marbles. All loaded up. Got fairly well, got the one that I've already dropped in. And then we actually okay, I didn't like the fact. Okay, get a marble behind it, it will push it through. That's good to know. That's stuck. Okay. Should. Yeah. Yeah, that was entertaining. Get this thing back. See if it. Alright, yeah. Ooh, what's gonna happen there? It got stuck. Okay. Yeah, let me. I'm still sort of seeing. I'm watching on the monitor, not even what's in front of me, just to see what y'all see. Are any of them dropping in the? Hang on, let's see. Okay, that's pretty interesting. I'm liking it. It's both simple and complicated. I think I like. That's a pretty good set. It's not, let's say, these moving pieces over here are a bit of a concern, but it worked out really good. This was, once I remembered to put. Once I figured out that I put these in backwards, that does make it work better. Of course, it seems like every time I mount one of these, I mount it backwards. So I'm glad I found that before I put the whole thing together this time. But I like this. This was, like I say, it wasn't the most difficult and complicated one I've ever done, but it's also not super simple. Like I've had a couple of them that were just almost too simple. I like it. I think it's well worth the time. Pick it up. It's got fun principle. I'll do a short tomorrow or the next day where you can really see that action going on. Make sure you get all that and getting the flip flopper, the counterweight thing here going its thing. Yeah. So I had, now that I've put together, there is a situation like this on the Night City run, the black one, because it just doesn't. It's made out of plastic, so it's clear and you can see more of it going through, but it's still the same principle there, where you load them up and knock them out from the last one. Yeah, I'm digging it. I think this one's a good one. Let me reach around here and grab the next project so y'all get a little preview if you've sat through the whole 14 minutes so far. Shoot it out of the way a little bit. But gonna be a U-Gears. It's gonna sort of look like the train. It's got the spring drive in it, so it's and allegedly it's got the rubber bands on the wheels here for traction. I think it looks like you take off the rubber bands and it'll spin. It's a Drift Cobra racing cars. I'd say inspired by the Shelby Cobra GT of days gone by. I just noticed got the bucket seats. But anyway, that's my next project. We'll get going on that. I may do the unboxing today. If this is, I can't remember if this is going up as midnight or noon. But if this goes up midnight, I'll do this. No, just if this goes. Yeah, either way, this will go up. Start going up. This will be like the first, like the one post a day builds, and then, like I say they're going to be a little bit longer, but not crazy long. I don't want definitely going to try and stay below the 30-minute mark. That's just more attention than I have, let alone expect somebody else to have. But anyways, like I always say, folks, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.